Wait, what was this?
This past week has been the worst week of my life. I don't know what happened. I don't know what I did to deserve any of this, but it's been terrible. I'm a joke. I am a disgrace to my community. I'm a disgrace to my race. I'm a disgrace to my religion. I'm a disgrace. I'm a joke. I'm a joke. I'm a damn joke. I don't know what to do anymore. I've been doing YouTube for 5 years, and I've never once felt this way in my entire life, to where I just never want to come back ever again and never want to show my face. I don't know what I'm going to do. I love you guys.